The idea for this video came to me while watching leathercraft tutorials on social medias. I could observe that some bad techniques were now quite popular because they were massively spreading on YouTube. I understand that many of us are self-taught and get all of their knowledge from the internet. But that's precisely why I thought it was important to make this video. My intention is to point out 5 practices that I find rather absurd, because they have the disadvantage of wasting your time or producing quite bad results. And I also want to show you what is the recommended technique replacing the bad one. Bad technique number 1: stitching with one needle. I understand that it may seem easier to stitch with one needle rather than 2. The problem is that it takes at least twice as long. Learn how to stitch with 2 needles. Master saddle stitch. And once you will get the hang of it, you will see that it's not really complicated. Hand stitching is already time consuming enough as it is. No need to complicate your life even more. Bad technique number 2: using paper clips to hold 2 pieces of leather while the glue dries. Why doing that? Certainly because the glue used is not adapted. Most of the parts needed to be assembled on leather goods should be attached with contact adhesive. Apply the glue on the 2 pieces. And when the glue is dry, assemble them. It sticks right away. A few hammer taps, that's all. Bad technique number 3: burning threads with a lighter. Okay, it depends on how you do it, but you certainly don't want it to form a big ball of melted plastic. Instead, cut the thread flush and push it like this with a little glue until it's completely hidden in the edge. Since we are going to talk about patterns, and before going to the next chapter, I would like to announce the launch of a new product I have created from scratch, the Big Leather Goods Pattern Bundle, the compilation of all the digital patterns I have created so far. 60 various patterns, each with a video tutorial at a very special price. If you are interested, check the link in the description. Back to the video. Bad technique number 4: making patterns without axes. If you make your patterns by hand, chances are that most of the shapes you need are symmetrical. Save time and gain accuracy. By making a X and Y axis. This will allow you to quickly make accurate templates. Bad technique number 5: tracing on the leather to cut it. This is, in my opinion, a waste of time and not very accurate. Make cardboard templates with 2 axes. Position the blade against the edge and follow it. If you are not used to it, take your time. You will get there and won't go back to the old method, I'm pretty sure. Before moving on to another video, I encourage you to share in the comments the somewhat dubious methods you have seen on YouTube or somewhere else. Be positive and also give the solution that you think is appropriate. Don't forget to like this video and follow us if you haven't done it yet. Thanks for watching. Bye.